authorities have issued a civil emergency message for Summit O, beginning at 9:30 p.m. Sunday, June 22nd and ending at 3 o'clock a.m. Tuesday, June 24th, W8KS. This is an evacuation watch. Residents by the Portage Lakes are placed under an evacuation watch due to historical amounts of rain. If you want to evacuate now, bring important accessories and get out. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and an emergency radio. Portage Lakes, Coventry Township, New Franklin, and the City of Greene. You're in the affected area. You are recommended to pack necessary items in the event an evacuation notice is issued. Areas outside of the targeted area are to prepare in the event an evacuation